how to create free landing page with Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own free landing page with canva.com. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply come to canva.com and you will land on this website. You can actually log in with Canva, sign up for free, or you can go for Canva Pro. I will be using the free version of Canva, and it actually gives you a lot of cool features to play around with, and you can create this amazing landing page with a free version. So Canva is an amazing platform that not only will allow you to create your landing page, you can actually edit your videos, you can create presentation, you can create Instagram posts, logos, resumes, and much more. Today, we will be creating our landing page with Canva. So if you are looking for any, platform that allows you to go and create this amazing landing page for free, because we know on other platforms it is a difficult process to create your own landing page, or you are looking for a free option to go for instead of going for coding and you don't have much experience, then this video is for you. So what happens is, now we do not get a template or layout of landing page on Canva. So what you have to do is you simply have to go for any of the layouts that are already provided. And what kind of layouts will be used for a landing page? There are two types that I will suggest. Now, you will see these amazing layouts right here. For example, resume, logo, and Instagram post layout as well. But for a landing page, you should go with a presentation one. A presentation will allow you to create a page which is 1920 to 180, right? So what happens is, this is a laptop version. If your landing page is opened on a laptop, then this will look pretty good. And then we have this poster version, which is going to be 42 by 59, and it is good for a mobile view. So you can go for either of these. Like, you can go for one of these to create your landing page. So, and the rest I would not suggest, because on Instagram post, or maybe if you're going for a logo one, they will be smaller. So go for any of these. I am going with a presentation one because that will allow me to create a good size image. You can actually go for a custom size of canvas as well, and Canva allows up to 5000 by 5000 pixel. So you can actually go for whatever you want to a custom size. So I am going with a presentation template. So I will simply click on a create blank template, and I will get a layout, a page that is going to be 180 by 1920. So now I have my own blank canvas right here. You will simply see different templates as well, but ignore them. They are presentation templates, but we are going to be creating just one page, and it is going to be our landing page. I will start from the scratch and I will add every element to it. So you can actually name your, landing page right here if you want to, but that's not necessary if we are just, going to create a landing page. So let's get started. To this right here, which is a color panel, and it will open it up. So you can actually add any color you want to. This will be the background color. So I am going for this color, and then let me make it a lighter version of this. There you go. So this is going to be the background color for my landing page. Let's add some text into it for my landing page. Let's add some text into it. If you want to, of course, you will add the text. So in the text, we actually get three options: add a heading, add a subheading, and add a body text. And this is what we will be doing. We can add different headings, subheadings, and body text as well. So, okay, let me just give you a tour around real quick, because maybe you're using Canva for the first time. So what happens is, this is the text from where I opened it up. Then you can actually upload any image or anything else from this upload, and then we get different elements. From here, in the elements, you will find different photos, graphics, lines, and shapes and frames that you can work with. Then we have the template where we were first, where you will find amazing templates. You can go to more as well, and in the more you can add photos, styles, audio, video, folder, charts and backgrounds as well. You can actually add integrations to your Canva as well if you want to, and you can add your Facebook, and these are a little upgraded things if you want to do so. But we are just creating simple landing page, so we don't need this more option. Actually, we work with these four most of the time. So we will add text, right? So you can add text right here. So let's add text for my landing page, and I am going to be calling it, let's just call it the social guide. So this is going to text. I can actually edit the text if I want it to be centered aligned, if I want it to be, the alignment is adjusted from here. I can actually adjust the spacing, and then I can adjust the color, the text color, of course. And I am going to go for maybe a darker version of the color that is in the background. This was the color, and I'm going to for this one, right? This looks pretty good. This is going to be my text color. I can move the text as I want to. You will see these pink lines that determine the, if it is in the center or not. You will see this right here. It is now in the center. So I can actually change the font as well. And I am going to go for this font right here. Okay, no, I don't think this looks good. So let's just go with this one. Maybe you can actually select any font you want to. So this one looks pretty good. And I can adjust the size of my text as well. You simply click on that and you can make it big or small. Also, you can adjust the size from here, from plus and minus icon. The text looks good, I think. So I will keep it in the center. Now let's add a few images. So I will go to elements, and if you are going for your own images, of course, you will upload them. So I am going for a frame, and in the frames, you can actually add, different images to these frames, and they will be, in these shapes. So let's go with a circle one. Here, you can see right here, this is the frame for any image that I want to add. Now I will add a photo, not mine. So I will simply go to photos and I will select from any of the photos given. This is completely free. Whatever I am doing right now, this is in the free version, and I am using all of these free images and fonts as well. So these are all the free images. The ones that are not free, you will see this crown which says pro, and these are for the pros. The people who are using the pro version of Canva, not the people who are pro in using Canva. These are just like the subscribers that have subscribed to the pro plan. So you can actually select from any of the image. So you can see these are like different random images. So I will simply go to search and I can go for a woman. Go and they will give me all of the women images. Okay, great. So now I have these old images of different women. So I will simply select from any of these. You can see these are free ones that do not have the crown, and these are a lot of actually images are free on Canva. So I can select from these. Okay, this image looks pretty professional, so I will simply click on the image. So you can see this is the image, right? So I will now drag it on the frame and it will be added to the frame. And when I double click on the image, I can adjust it in the frame. There it is. Perfect. Now you can see this is my image. So now I can actually move it around if I want. So I will simply add it right here. Perfect. Now I will add more of the text. Let's add a subheading, which is going to be the information, or let's just call it introduction. Okay. And I will make it bold. Now let's add a body text. Body text, I will simply add whatever I want to. You will simply add your information or whatever you want to add. For now, I don't know what to add. Let's add a text which says, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Great. Okay, so this is the text that I have added, and it is pretty random. I just wrote, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, this is not the introduction. I just wanted to add a text. So I can actually, edit this text out, and I will decrease the line spacing. So what I can do is I can decrease the line spacing. Perfect. Let's make it a bit smaller because I do not want the size to be big. There it is. Let's add it right here. Okay. So let's make oh, so you can see right here, this is what it looks like. I can actually change the font for this one as well. And let's go with the font that I'm using for the heading. And even in this one, now I can add as many text as I want to, or if I want to add any other elements, I will simply go to elements and let's add a few of the, things. Let's add a line to my landing page. Perfect. So I have come to now lines and shapes, and let's add this dotted line. Dot right here. So I can just click on add it here. After that, I can add as so you can see right here that I have added few of the more things, like I added the text to just, fill it up. So this is how you add different elements. You can add the image, you can add the graphics, and whatever you want to. You can add the lines. Again, I can go to elements and I can go to, let's just erase it from here. This, and then I will simply go to all. And when you come to all on elements, you will actually able to find all of these, different elements that you can add. For example, if you want to add different, photos, you want to add graphics or videos, audios, and chart as well, you can add to your landing page. So once your landing page is created, you think that it looks good and you have added all of the information, add different, elements, then you simply click on download from here and you can download this page. Now make sure to download it whatever form they are suggesting. Now for the image, you can actually go for PNG. They are going to be suggesting PDF for because we use the layout presentation. But you can go for PNG because it is going to be high quality, or you can actually go for JPG or PDF print, PDF standard. These are the different, types that are given by Canva. So I will go for PNG and I will simply download my image. And this is going to be my landing page of wherever I want to add it to. Now, I have kind of used a trick to create this amazing landing page for free without any coding or doing or any, other platform. And that is exactly how you can do it too. Now, I think you have an idea how to create your own landing page with Canva. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the